Okay, let me show you how to remote control the smart TV box by the smartphone. This is ATV2, ATV3, ATV1. Now what I'm testing is this one, ATV3, ATV3. Okay, the TV box is full powered on. The first line is for the searching. The first icon with the microphone is the voice searching. This one is for the traditional searching by the keyboard or the remote. This one is the recommendation line. The recommendation content is real-time updated. This is the better. Also, you can call it shortcut for the app. This is the setting and the network. Okay, let me show you how to connect the TV box, remote control the TV box on the smartphone. Firstly, the smartphone or the tablet PC must be Android system. Wait a moment, please. Before, you must install an app on the smartphone or the tablet PC. Let me show you which app you must install. This is the app name you must install on the smartphone or tablet PC. You can scan this code, this barcode, to install this app directly on the smartphone. This one. This is the better code. Please note that do not try to use the scanner tool of the media of some media app, for example WhatsApp, Facebook, because the scanner tool of the media app always block. So you must scan the barcode by the special scanner tool. You can search and install, for example, barcode scanner. Okay, let me show you. Here on this smartphone, I already installed this app. So just touch on it. Yes. Accept. Continue. Yeah. In the list you'll find just touch the target TV you want to remote control. Here it is ATV3. Touch on it. Yeah, on the TV you will see a code. Just input this code on the smartphone. B086, then pair. Okay, when you see this icon, its meanings is pairing successful. Okay, let me show. Wait a moment, please. Touch on, see. See, now you can remote control the TV box. It's very convenient to me. Now let me try the voice searching. Free movie. Free movie. The latest Hollywood movie. Okay,